My chosen biome is the freshwater biome. I'm researching in the Great Lakes. Here are some characteristics of the freshwater biome. It covers about 20% of the Earth, but only 2.5% of the water on Earth is freshwater, and they are critical to human survival since they provide over half of the world's drinking water. This is a map of where my biome can be found in and a photo of where I'm researching. During the May to September months, the temperature tends to be higher because it is in the spring to summer months. December to March months, the temperature tends to be colder because it is in the winter months. Some factors that affect this are the high latitude and altitude of Niagara Falls, which makes the temperature colder. Adaptations of a plant and an animal. My chosen plant found in my biome is the water lily, which is a plant that grows in freshwater and seawater. One adaptation is that it has a cuticle that covers the upper side of the leaf to keep it as dry as possible, which helps the water lily gather direct sunlight. Some other adaptations of water lilies is that they have large leaves that float on the surface of the freshwater lakes, which helps them get lots of sunlight for photosynthesis, and they have thorns on the underside of the lily to defend it from possible predators. My chosen animal found in my biome is a turtle. They have a functioning ventricular septal defect which exists in the heart of the freshwater turtle. When the turtle is on land, this allows the blood to be moved from the left to the right ventricle. Likewise, the blood is immediately pumped into the aorta when the turtle dives for long periods of time. Other adaptations of the turtle is that their hands and legs become flippers for them to swim. Other adaptations of the turtle is that their hands and legs become flippers for them to swim. Turtles can also bask on logs to regulate their temperature. Here are my works cited. Can humans interact with the freshwater biome in a sustainable way? Freshwater, animals, soil, and plants are all found in freshwater biomes, which all serve an important role for the ecosystem to stay in symbiosis. The plants commonly found in the freshwater biome are water lilies, aspen, algae, and in some cases willow trees to help purify the water and supply everything with nutrients using their root system. All of these plants work together to serve many purposes like purifying the air and water and helping with biodiversity. There are also many animals living in freshwater ecosystems like insects, frogs, turtles, worms, and much more. The freshwater biome mainly provides us with fresh water that is vital to our survival as it provides us with clean drinking water and is used in many other ways like hydroenergy production, food production, and much more. The freshwater biome also houses mangroves and willow trees that help filter pollutants from the water that improves the water quality. Not only this, but mangrove trees capture greenhouse gases which help purify the air around us. This is a photo of plastic pollution in freshwater. It is the issue that is destroying the freshwater biome. As the world's technology has increased, humans have been rapidly producing throwaway plastic goods, and therefore plastic pollution has become one of the most serious environmental issues. The main cause of plastic pollution is single-use plastics. We use billions of single-use plastics every year. Plastic pollution has become a major issue in the maritime environment. Ingestion of plastic of hundreds of marine species are the most evident effects of plastic trash. Microplastics have been discovered in our drinks as well as in all the ocean samples taken worldwide, including the Arctic. Carbon dioxide naturally is absorbed by freshwater, which is naturally in the atmosphere. More carbon dioxide is being absorbed into the ocean as a result of human-caused higher amounts of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. As CO2 levels rise, the pH drops and the ocean becomes more acidic, causing marine species to gradually become extinct. Ways humans can use the biome sustainably. First, we should avoid single-use plastics. Single-use plastics such as bags, straws, and cutlery make our lives simpler but have major environmental consequences. There are alternatives to these sort of items. Second, use sustainable alternatives. Use reusable bags, straws, and cutlery to help reduce the amount of plastic being thrown into lakes and oceans. Reduce carbon emissions. This could mean reducing air travel, using sustainable reusable energy, and buying local food products, and reducing your poultry intake. Conclusion. Can humans interact with the freshwater biome in a sustainable way? Yes, humans have interacted with them in the past in a sustainable way before the increased use of single-use plastics and greenhouse gas pollution. Here are my works cited.